Good girl. How you doing? Bring a handshake. Give me your hand. Good girl. Why were you backing? Hmm? Why were you backing? Who looked for your trouble? Good girl. Good girl. Good. Give me a handshake. Hi, Kelly. Hi, Kelly. Hi, Kelly. Hi, Kelly. Good girl. Good girl. Wow. You're somersaulting. Hmm? That your food does not look nice. That food you people get there, I hope it's okay. No, maybe it has sour. She refused to eat it. Kelly is very selective. Hi, Kelly. Good girl. Oh, no. She's gorgeous, isn't she? Hmm? Yeah, say bye-bye to Grandma. Say bye-bye to big Grandma. Okay, bye. Kelly, bye. Say bye-bye.